After living in Canada for almost 3 years, this is my first time to eat a snow. Guys, I'm in the middle of snowstorm. Oh my god, it's actually it's a blizzard, bro. Look. See? There's a last night there was a weather advisory that today is gonna be nasty. Worst snowstorm of the year. And yeah, it's crazy. The wind, the snow, my feet are wet. I'm actually going home, guys. I worked 12 hours today. There was no snow this morning though. It's like very calm. And then after 3 p.m, boom, it started. Oh my god. It's pretty tough to walk on this type of weather. Alam nyo ba guys, hiniram ko lang tong rubber boots na to. Kasi this morning I did not wear any winter boots. I was just wearing my running shoes. Because I did not know, I wasn't expecting to be this crazy. But yeah, holy crap, it's like apocalypse, man. Paano kaya tayo kakain? Ala, parang zero visibility. Parang grabe, hirap. Oh my god, man. It's like 10% zero. No, 10% visibility, not zero, because I can see the car in there. But it's holy, the wind in my hands are freezing. Oh my god. parang reporter ako dito ah. Plus guys, I can't book a ride. Alright? Even if, to be honest, I don't want to book a ride right now. I just want to experience this walking in the middle of a snowstorm or blizzard. So, but it's very cold. Oh yeah. Look. Plus I want to taste them. Let's eat some snow, guys. Look, fresh snow. Let's taste it. After living in Canada for almost 3 years, this is my first time to eat a snow. No, it's not actually bad. Halo-halo, putik na yan. Parang sarap kumain ng halo-halo ngayon. Halo-halo, guys, means halo-halo is the dessert in the Philippines, by the way, if you don't know what I'm talking about. It's a sweet, creamy, cold dessert. We usually eat it on summer season because it gets very hot in the Philippines during summer. But yeah, I'm literally in the middle of a snowstorm, guys, walking, going to my apartment, Oh my god. Wow. Snowstorm apocalypse. I don't know. I just wanted to like feel like a kid again. So that's the golf park or whatever. No, it's not a golf park. Jesus Christ. Basta. That park. And then that goes to the church. I can't there's a church on that corner right there, but we can't see it because of the snow, eh? And then that's the highway right there. And that car, if you can see the car, there's a you can't even see it in the camera, but I can see it in my eyes. Oh my god. Guys, alam nyo ba, sa trabaho ko pa to. Ginagamit namin to yung nagpapaligo, ganun. We're using these boots in the spa. Wow, this is my first time to like experience walking on the snowstorm, in the middle of a snowstorm. Look at the cars. Good luck tomorrow, guys. Because it's gonna be a stormy evening tonight. I'm wondering where are the city workers right now. Probably clearing up the main roads or highways. That's the intersection, guys. If you are watching my video, if you are watching my previous videos, that's the main intersection. Look. Holy crap. Oh my god. So that's the main highway intersection. You can't see it. You can't even see the stoplight or whatever. There's a car in the middle, but I'm not sure if you can see it in camera. There, I'm pointing on it. The taste of the snow is nothing. It's like a shaved ice. I'm hoping that I'm not gonna get a diarrhea tomorrow. Oh, I'm being snotty because of it's cold and it's windy. Dude, I'm the only one walking around. People are not enjoying this. I do. This is so fun. Yeah, I feel like a kid again, guys. A child. Wow. This is a winter wonderland. Guys, pasensya na kung meron akong snot sa ilong. That's alright. Look at the trees. My god. Look. Buti na lang may duman na sasakyan dito. At least na yung snow. Or else dyan ako maglalakad. Look. Guys, if you live in Canada and yeah, this is a snowstorm. If you haven't seen one yet. Enjoy the view. If you like the view, look. Oh my god. Wow, guys. I mean, the snow has just started like a couple hours ago. And then it went crazy, and then it gets windy, it gets dark, and like boom. Wow, look at that. That's the houses. Akala nyo maliliit lang. Parang in the picture or in the video in the background, the houses here looks very small, but it's very big inside, guys. that type of houses. Oh no, she got stuck in the middle of the road. Oh well, anyway, that type of houses. It looks very small in the video, but if you go inside, there are 4 or 5 bedrooms and then 2 bathrooms, living room, 2 kitchens. You know, has their own laundry room. Everything is in there. But I want you to see. I want you to like look at this. Oh, poor thing, you. Aw. She's a female too. In the middle of the highway. I think sinasabi ko intersection because this is the intersection I'm talking about when I was there. Look. What? Oh my god, man. Oh, she got stuck too. I don't know how can I help her though. Oh man. My god, it's like apocalypse right now. Holy moly. Oh, my hands are freezing. What happened to her? I don't know what happened to her, bro. She went inside her car and then she has to call someone. Like, yeah. Tignan niyo. Normally, nakikita mo na yung teams dun. Kasi that's the Tim Hortons coffee shop right there. But since it's very snowy, is there such a thing? Oh. Nagbabagang balita. Isang siraulo naglalakad in the middle of a snowstorm. Wow. It's very beautiful though. I mean, for me it's very beautiful, it's surreal, but it's tough for most of the people here, especially if you drive. That's the main road, guys. That's the highway. And then this is where I live. I won't show you the number of the apartment, but that's the apartment building that I'm living right now. We made it! Oh, it's so deep. Holy crap! Look! Oh my god, it's so windy. You guys, I hope you can. Well, anyway. Damn! Okay. I hope, guys, you enjoyed this video. Very spontaneous, by the way. Because I was enjoying the weather. It's my first time to like walk in the middle of a snowstorm or a blizzard, whatever you name it. Just comment down below. I can't even open it. There we go. Oh, praise God. And then I have what is this? Remove side edges. What is this? All right. Let's see. Let's see what is this. Someone is calling me, by the way. I'm not sure. I think this is a check. I'm gonna. There. I hope that this is the check that I'm waiting for. The $200 check. Let's see. Okay. How to open this one? No, I don't want to mess it up. Remove side edges first. Fold, crease, and tear along dotted lines. Alright. Remove the side edges. My hands are literally frozen. Hindi ko lang ginapin dun, guys, may ano dun. There's there is a bin. Oh, for Christ's sake. Nah, it's from... This is not the check that I'm waiting for. Oh, All right. The pin for my line of credit. I was expecting to like the check from the government, $200. I haven't received it yet. Guys, please give it to me. I need money. Well, anyway, guys, that's the very spontaneous video today. Thank you very much, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.